In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify AI themes automatically. We're going to walk through how to use Shopify's built-in AI theme generator so you can design a professional looking store in just a few minutes without needing a designer or developer. I'll guide you through each click, and by the end, you'll have a brand new theme live on your store. First, log into your Shopify account and head to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and recent activity. Make sure you're in the right store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the navigation menu. Find and click on Online Store. This is where everything related to your storefront lives: themes, pages, navigation, and more. Clicking Online Store will open the Themes section by default. In the Themes area, scroll down past your current theme and the theme library. You're looking for a section titled Design Your Store in Seconds. This is where the AI theme generator lives. In the search or prompt bar inside that section, type in the kind of store you want to create. For example, you could type minimalist skincare brand, vintage clothing boutique, or modern tech accessories store. Try to be specific about your style and niche so the AI has enough context to work with. Once you've entered your description, click on Generate Themes. Shopify will now use your prompt to automatically create a set of suggested themes tailored to your store type and style. This may take a few moments, so give it a bit of time to load. When the themes appear, don't pick one blindly. Instead, click on View Demo for any theme that catches your eye. This opens a live preview so you can see how the homepage, product pages, and overall layout look on desktop and mobile. Take a moment to imagine your own products, images, and colors in that layout. When you find a theme you really like, click on Try Theme. This will add that AI generated theme into your theme library so you can work with it. It won't replace your live site yet, so you're safe to experiment. After the theme has been installed into your library, you'll see it listed under Theme Library. From there, when you're ready to make it live, click on Publish. Shopify will ask you to confirm, and once you do, this AI-generated theme becomes the active theme your customers see when they visit your store. That's it. You've just created and published a Shopify AI theme automatically. Going from idea to live design